Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Eritrea. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, it's very important that we should first check, do we really need a visa? Because based on our nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas that we hold, we may or may not need a visa. And once you determine this, in order to check the process, always go for the process as given at the official entity that covers your residential area. Because based on your residential area, there could be additional steps, documents, even fee too. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the embassy of Eritrea in New Delhi, India. If you're in from other location, you need to check that. If I go to download form section, they have visa application form, how to apply for visa. So first we'll go for how to apply, like process. Okay. Now this is embassy in New Delhi. This accepts tourist visa only from residents of India, not just Indian citizen, resident of India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Nepal, Maldives, and Thailand. Okay. What you and good thing is you can apply it over the email. They have given an email account where you need to send your passport, visa application form, CV, travel history, and once you complete the process, they will contact you about the payment and how to send passport for stamping. Okay, and this is going to be valid for 1 month starting from your entry to Eritrea, but it can be extended over there. Working hours also they have given. Now, few things, if they want, they can request additional documents. It's their right. Okay. But again, it varies case by case. So there's no way somebody can tell you like this is how it will be. But anyway, so this is the form that I opened in other one. So you're going to put your photo here, application entry, surname, given name, mother name, gender, place of birth, date of birth, marital status, permanent address outside Eritrea. Yeah, address in Eritrea. So if you've already booked a hotel, you'll have this information. Present nationality, national birth, passport details. You can check everything. You should make sure it matches your passport. You don't want an issue. If you're going for tourism, you're going to check this. Then have you visited before? Then yes. If not, just no. Country visited last 5 years. Places to visit. Budget for the tour. Okay. Exit visa, like country of destination where you'll go. And then, yeah. Then, yeah. If you have children, then you need to submit their application too, but you need to provide that information. 19 is for official use. Don't worry about that. I put your name, signature, date, and then you have to send it via email. That's a pretty simple process, and uh, that's how it works, guys. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.